So friend, now we are going to start the polysaccharide. So polysaccharide is nothing, it is just a polymer of the monosaccharide. So monosaccharide which contain hexoses, pentoses, trioses, and erythroses, these are the monosaccharide, and already discussed about the oligosaccharide, to 2 monosaccharide to 10 monosaccharide which produce oligosaccharide, and 10 to many monosaccharide called polysaccharide. So the main polysaccharides are glycogen and starch. So glycogen present in animals and starch present in plant cells. So and body cells store polysaccharides. So body cells, so plant cell which is stored as a starch, and animal cell stored as a glycogen. So it stored and are not able to cross the plasma membrane. So polysaccharides are categorized into 2 types, homopolysaccharide and heteropolysaccharide. Homopolysaccharide is similar monosaccharide residue. So in starch, glycogen, cellulose are homopolysaccharide, and chitin, agar, arabinose, galactone are heteropolysaccharide. Now there are the following types: storage polysaccharide, structural polysaccharide, mucopolysaccharide. So in storage polysaccharide there are 2, starch and glycogen. Starch, so it is a starch. In starch it is a polymer of alpha D glucose, and it is of 2 types, amylose and amylopectin. So in amylose it is only straight chain of 200 to 100 glucose residue units, and it formed the helical secondary structure, and which it turned from the 6 glucose residue, and the linkage is called alpha 1,4 linkage only. So there is the straight chain. Another amylopectin are both straight as well as branch chain, and which consist of 2000 to 2 lakhs glucose units, and branching occurs at 25 glucose units. Now another is starch. In starch, accumulating structure is called hilum, which is proteinous structure. So single hilum is called simple hilum, and compound hilum is called, so many hilum is present, is called compound hilum. So this is all about related to the storage storage polysaccharide in plant. Now the storage polysaccharide in glycogen. So glycogen stored in animal cells, it is consist of 30,000 residue. Okay, both contain alpha and state as well as branch chain, alpha 1,4 as well as alpha 1,6 linkage, and branching occurs in 10 to 14 glucose unit. Another storage, inulin, it is a polymer of fructose present in the dahlia, root and tuber of dahlia. And now another polysaccharide structure. So main structural polysaccharide is cellulose, which contains 6,000 beta glucose residue. Largest amount of cellulose present in cotton fiber, digested by termite and sieve with the help of harboring bacteria, and main constituent part of cell walls. Another is the chitin. It is a polymer of N-acetyl glucosamine present in exoskeleton of insect and wall of the fungi. Pectin and hemicellulose. Pectin is the present in the middle lamella, help in the connecting the cell during the cell division, and hemicellulose are the dextroxylose. So this is, and another one and last one is mucopolysaccharide. It is a sticky substance produced by the plant, and many seaweed fluid sticky substance that is called mucilage, and mucilage also, and mucopolysaccharide also consist of the cell wall of bacteria, and also present in the vitreous humor of eye. So this is all about the structural storage, structure and mucopolysaccharide. So it is all about